It's first time adjustment. Wow. So overdeveloped, the muscles on this side and a little bit flat, so there's a little bit of rotation. I screamed on my first adjustment ever. Oh, I was like, ah! Perfect. By the way, I did ask her if I can borrow her lashes. Oh. Look how natural and perfect they are. And I'm gonna give you a little pull, okay? Drop, drop, drop. Wow, I think that was like 3 or 4, right?
Yeah.
How did it feel?
Good.
Not bad, right?
Yeah.
How do you stand up and
feels
tell
a
me?
lot different.
What are you feeling?
Lighter. Yeah.
Taller? Maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm pretty known for being short.
Well, you're
so
gonna grow in here.
Thank you.
Amazing. Good job.